Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the delicious world of homemade guacamole. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 3 ripe avocados, 1/2 of a lime, about 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, 1/4 of a small red onion, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. Choosing perfectly ripe avocados is key for that wonderfully creamy texture we all love. Make sure they yield gently to pressure. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's prepare the star of the show, the avocados. Take each avocado and carefully slice it in half lengthwise, circling around the large pit. Once halved, gently twist to separate the 2 sides. Remove the pit, then use a spoon to scoop the vibrant green flesh into your mixing bowl. Now, with a fork or a potato masher, gently mash the avocado to your desired consistency. Some like it chunky, others prefer it smooth. With our avocados mashed, it's time to add the supporting cast of flavors. First, finely dice about 1/4 of a small red onion. Next, roughly chop approximately 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Squeeze the juice from 1/2 of a lime directly into the bowl. This adds brightness and helps prevent browning. Finally, add a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. Gently fold all these wonderful ingredients together until they are perfectly combined and fragrant. And there you have it. Your simple, homemade guacamole is ready to be enjoyed. For the absolute best flavor, I recommend serving it immediately. It's fantastic with crispy tortilla chips or as a fresh topping for your favorite tacos, burritos, or even eggs. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container with a piece of plastic wrap pressed directly onto the surface to minimize air exposure. It will keep well for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.